Hello ma'am, I am Rahul Khatwani and this is our final year project. We have named it as Healthcare Hospitals and this is the dashboard of our website. Basically, we have integrated all the basic facilities which are provided by the hospitals, but they are offline kind of things, so we have made it through the online. And also we have integrated a chatbot. So the main advantage of this chatbot is that actually there are many functionalities which user might find difficult to reach through the facility. So we have included this chatbot so that user can type the thing he want or the keywords through which he can find all the facilities right there at one place. So I will show you the demo. First of all, this is the medical facility booking in which the user can book an doctor appointment or an ambulance or a health checkup to their nearby hospitals. So basically we can book an appointment of any hospitals. It is not any specific hospital or so. After that, there is one thing which is called online advisor. The online advisor takes the symptoms from the user so that it analyze the symptoms and it will appoint and book a appointment to the doctor who is specialized in that specific symptoms and who is nearby us. And the third one is the eligibility check. Basically, it will provide us the list of all the ongoing government health schemes which are in our area, and it will also provide us that we can apply how to apply for that schemes for those schemes. So I will show you the demo. Basically, for I will show you the demo here for online advisor. So online advisor, like it will ask me the symptom which I am facing now. Like I am facing a little bit cough, and then it's for few hours. I confirm, mail, my name, my phone number, and email address. Actually, after booking an appointment, it will provide us the mail confirmation that we can check. So I will type in the temp mail. So after booking an appointment, it will send a mail to our email address. Now it's loading. See, we got our appointment confirmation. It will basically have the information like our name, gender, phone number, symptom, and the duration from how much long we are facing that symptom. And it will also provide us the doctor name who is specialized in that symptom and who is nearby us. And then we have it's the chatbot. So I will basically book an uh, appointment for a doctor. So basically this feature is similar to the online advisor, but in this we can choose doctor according to their experiences, according to the specialization of their own they have done. So I will do the doctor appointment. It's for self, mail, and I will enter my location. Please select the department. Okay. So I'm basically for physical care and ENT. Okay. So now it has provided me the list of all the doctors which are specialized in that particular specialization. I have selected physical care. So it will show me the list of all the doctors and also the year of experience so that I can choose from on the basis of this. So like I am choosing Becca. So here I will choose Becca. date. Okay, so I will book an appointment for tomorrow. Now it will show me the timings. I have chosen 2 to 2:30. Almost there. Please name. I have entered my name, phone number. Hmm. So it has provided me the appointment slip. I can take a screenshot of it and I can directly go to the doctor and show this that I have an appointment and my appointment ID is this. Okay, and then we have integrated our the whole chatbot thing, the whole idea of this whole website to the messenger, Facebook Messenger. We have made a page of this healthcare hospitals, and we can do everything which we can do here in the chatbot, like in the Facebook Messenger. Now you might be thinking that why we have included, what is the reason behind it, why we have included this messenger. So basically, it's like we are expanding, like we want to provide services everywhere. Like we can also do this thing on the WhatsApp, but on WhatsApp it was paid. We have to buy an account, WhatsApp number for from Twilio, and it's like paid thing. That's why we have not done that. So basically, we have integrated in this Facebook. So I will quickly book an ambulance in this Facebook Messenger directly. Now I will schedule an ambulance, like it's not an emergency now. System location A33. Confirm. Yes, pickup address A33. Drop out A32. Preferable date. So I will put 21 04 and I will put the date. And see, you might be thinking that how will user know that which type of date we want to put. So if I will put like this, so it will tell me that I have to put the date in this format. 2021, month is 4th, and I have to book an appointment for tomorrow, but I can't do that because the earliest date for the pickup will be 4/11, because we can't schedule an ambulance for 48 hours in 48 hours. We have to schedule in for after 48 hours. So I will do this for 11th date. Is valid. Okay, it's not valid, I think. 2021. It's oh, okay. 04/12. Perfect. So it will show me the timings from which I can choose. I would like to choose for 2 to 2:30. Almost there. Patient's name Rahul. Great. Phone number 8866598283. Hmm. So basically, it's like same the that we got the appointment slip in the chatbot, the same appointment slip, but for the ambulance we have got here. So basically, we can do it anywhere, like in all the social media platforms, so that it can expand the features and also the customer base, user base. We can reach through almost everyone. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. That's it. If you have any questions or queries, you can call me, ma'am.